Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your own route on Apple Maps. You have to start by open Apple Maps application and then you need to write some destination. Let's say this one. Now click at the three dots at the bottom. And right here we have create a custom route, so let's click on it. Now select the second point, let's say right here. And now we have some route and let's add something else. And the fourth one. And we just did it. So then click Save Route. Give it a name. You can write some description about it. Also, if you want to download this route, just do nothing. If you don't want it, just disable it. Then click on the check mark and close it. Then we can find this route if you click on the profile icon at the right side, places, and right here at the first line we have routes. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.